Welcome to Graphics Studio Pro. Today we will feature an app that is optimized with our multi-point Intel integrated technology designed to perform at its maximum potential. We will explore how to generate some of the most time-consuming and challenging photo effects with extreme ease and a minimal learning curve. Graphics Studio Pro can make anyone of any skill level a quick creative professional. Stimulate your creative process without waiting on effects to apply. Now, no more running through sequential tools and feeling the intimidation and despair of not even knowing where to start. The goal here is to create a personal representation mimicking a real photo classic. The light shining through the windows in New York's Grand Central Station. This beautiful iconic image is a real work of art, and you can achieve almost the same look and feel of this beautiful image by Hal Moray yourself. Here's an image we would like to use to mimic the picture taken in the past. This is from about the same angle. As seen in the dialog box, you will notice how large the photo is. With the size of 29 megabytes, this image is very, very large. The larger the picture, the bigger the strain on your computer. We will load the photo and choose Add Effects right here. A dialog panel pops up and you see your effects are categorized in two ways. Across the top are the effects categories, and on the side, we drill down to more granular groups containing specific photo effects. There are in excess of 500 photo effects included in Graphics Studio Pro, yet the dialog box feels very light at first glance. Now you can start to see the magic and how easy and fast this will be for you. Let's get started. As we apply our effects, please notice the speed that Intel's hardware achieves when you have software designed to grab the most out of such powerful chip technology. We will select the black and white hardened black effect. Already, an instant transformation yields an immediate return through time to the beginning of the 20th century. Now slide a few sliders and intensify the effect. We can move hardened blacks here to pull out darker areas and add a slight bit of drama. Add a touch of softness to make it more intimate. Now let's do the real hard work, but let's not forget, we make this easy for anyone to do. Looking at the moire again, the first one has more individual beams. Let us start with the one in the distance first. Using the effects dialog, you can choose any of these beams. We can use a tool known as the T-Path tool to alter the direction and length of the light beams, as seen here. We can use these sliders to the right to utilize the best setup to match the light beams in our timeless classic. We can now apply the second light beam, and after this, we will complete the same look by using the broken light beams through the windows in the foreground. So as you see, Graphics Studio Pro achieves some incredibly difficult photo effects with no effort at all. What does it take to complete your best photo effects today? How hard will it be for me to achieve these photo effects? Without perfectly optimized software technology balanced with Intel's world-class hardware, with Graphics Studio Pro, it only takes one click and a second of your time.